Hello everyone, it's Mrs. Coach. Today we are going to be talking about what are the scientific variables. So let's get started. So we had three types of variables. There are three types of. One is independent variable. Let me move myself. Second one is dependent variable. And the third is control. Let's dig into each of them and to see what they are. So, first things first, independent variable is what you decide to change in the experiment. Remember, what was our hypothesis in my previous video? I gave you three different things, hypothesis. One was if I exercise, I will lose weight. Second, if I eat less, I will lose weight. If I drink more water, I should lose weight. So this is our independent variable. So I am changing the solutions. I'm trying to find a solution so I can lose weight, okay? This is something you are changing. So you are starting to exercise. You are starting to drink water, okay? Independent is something that you are changing, okay? It's not getting affected by anything. It's the effect to the experiment, okay? So independent, it's independent. He doesn't care anybody. He is changing by itself, okay? This is something you are changing, independent variable. So dependent variable will be something that is getting affected after what you have changed. So what you observe or measure. So after I do some exercise, what do you think that I will be observing or measuring? Of course, I'm going to start losing weight. So losing weight is going to be my dependent variable, okay? You can adjust the sentence to anything you like. If you're talking about staying up or getting up early, I cannot get up early. That's your problem. So in order for you to fix this problem, you need a solution. How can you get up early? How can you not be late to the class? I don't know. You shouldn't be stay up late watching movies or playing on your computer. Okay? So let's make a hypothesis first. If I don't stay up late, or if I can go to bed early, then I won't be late to my class. So I am measuring if I am going to be late or not. But my independent variable is go to bed early. Okay? So the third one is control. Things that you keep it the same. They don't change. So in the previous example, are you changing your room to stay up early or get up early? Are you changing yourself? Are you changing your clothes? Are you changing your alarm? You're not doing anything. You're just going to bed early. So something that is not changing, okay? In my example, if I exercise, I will lose weight example, the control would be anything. So I can just give you any type of control that I want. Like, I'm not changing the weight itself. I'm not changing my hair color. I'm not changing my shoe size. I'm not changing anything. All I'm doing is to exercise. So I can lose weight. Okay? So that's the control of that. Something is staying the same throughout this experiment. So let's take a look at some examples. Okay, I need to read this question. How does the amount of water affect how tall a flower grows? So, what is changing in the sentence? Or what is getting affected after what we did? Okay, when we change the amount of water that I'm expecting, a flower's height is going to be either tall or short, correct? So What is changing? What is changing? For those who are saying, oh, it's the amount of water, yes, you're right. So my independent variable is, let's have this guy to say what they have. The amount of water we give to the flowers would be the independent variable, because this is what we're changing, because we're choosing to change it. How much the flowers grow would be the dependent variable, because that's the change we're measuring. So some control, type of flower, amount of light. Did you guys understand the difference between the independent and dependent variable and the control? Because control is something you're not changing. You're not changing the amount of light or the type of soil, type of flower. Everything is the same except the amount of water. Okay? So now let's go back here. So now we are going to go ahead and take a look at some examples that I will be writing on my notes.